Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudha Rathna Prabhu. I am basically a pediatrician and I am specializing in pediatric metabolic genetics. So what is pediatric metabolic genetics? Basically we handle pediatrics and now we enter into another specialty which is called genetics, in that the metabolic component. So why this sounds complicated, but it is not complicated, because without this functioning properly, the humans who are affected only will be complicated. So let me tell you what exactly is being done in this specialty in Mehta Children's Hospital. Newborn screening is a new concept which is not new to the world. It is there since 50 years, but it is new to India. So here it is there only since 10 years, when we did the first ICMR study on disorders affecting the newborn baby. Mainly 2 disorders were done as a multicentric study all over India as a pilot program. So in Chennai we did in the government hospitals, and I was the research scientist for that program, and we in South India screened about 30,000 babies. We found for every 1 in 727 babies we have one thyroid problem. That means every 700 babies born, out of which some baby will definitely have a thyroid problem. So with our population being so much, you imagine how many will be affected. Certain other disorders also, which was initially thought to be very rare in South India, are now being detected. For example, we have another disorder called G6PD deficiency. What is G6PD deficiency? It is a disorder which affects our blood cells. So when this enzyme, as I told you, this is all with relevant to a digestion process in our body. When this enzyme is not there, certain drugs and certain food will not be taken up by the affected person. Initially it was thought it is only common among certain communities and more in northern India, and it was, in fact it is now reported to be as high as every 1 in 40 babies. That means if 40 babies are born, every one other in that set will be affected. But we did not have any data in South India. Now we are beginning to do, and as you know, today migration population is everywhere. So South India need not necessarily be only South India. We have all communities here, and we have been launching newborn screening programs, and even G6PD is turning out to be very, very common in our country. So these disorders are worth the screening. Why? Because it is fully treatable. Another important disorder which is assuming importance is called congenital adrenal hyperplasia. What is that? That is again a hormonal disorder where the sex hormones are not getting properly secreted. What is high should not be high, and what is low should not be low. So that is another spectrum also which ICMR has launched a project, and we found the results are alarmingly high in Tamil Nadu. So when we have such a spectrum of diseases becoming more common, it is the duty of us pediatricians to educate the public, saying that what is this, the disease is so common, why not we do the newborn screening. See, like how everybody does a scan or a hemoglobin for the pregnancy, the time has come where the newborn screening should be done for each and every baby, which is his or her birthright. Otherwise, we are going to miss the diagnosis and unnecessarily give a disease which could have been prevented for that child, or at least treated to prevent any complications. So, what do we do for this? How do you get more information on this? Mehta's has also inaugurated this newborn screening since 2013. So, we have also been doing a lot of newborn screening and many children have been treated. So, you contact us and we are here to guide you.